In this video, I will show you how to add head bobbing to your character. First, add three variables: bob time, idle bob speed, and idle bob amount. Bob time keeps track of the time and controls how long the movements will last. Idle bob speed sets the speed of the bobbing, while idle bob amount determines how strong the bobbing will be. The code inside the camera bob function works as follows. If the player is moving and is in contact with the ground, the bob time value increases over time. While running, the bobbing will be faster and larger, and during normal walking, it will be slower and smaller. If the player is stationary or in the air, the bob time increases more slowly, and the bobbing becomes smaller. This way, when the player is not moving, the camera will have a small, natural bobbing effect. Finally, in the process function, we call the camera bob.